Hello friend, welcome my YouTube channel that is Biology Expert. This is the second part. I covered 20 most important question about reproductive system. Then first question is which is the outermost extra embryonic membrane? Amnion, allantois, chorion and yolk sac. That is the chorion. That is the chorion. This chorion and amnion is the innermost covering of the extra embryonic membrane and outermost extra embryonic is chorion. Archaeopteryx present in the blastula, morula, glastula and all. Archaeopteryx present in the glastula. Archaeopteryx present in a glastula. After the sperm and zygote unit to form zygote. Zygote undergo many cleavage, develop into ball of cell called morula. Morula converted into blastula. Blastula converted into glastula. So archaeopteryx present in the glastula. Urine test of pregnancy determine human chorionic gonadotrophic hormone, estrogen, progesterone utilizing hormone. Urine test of a pregnancy determine the human chorionic gonadotrophic hormone that indicate the presence of a pregnancy. It present in the urine. Estrogen is secreted from the Graafian follicle and progesterone is secreted from the corpus luteum. Luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone both are gonadotrophic hormone that is secreted from anterior pituitary gland. So answer is human chorionic gonadotrophic hormone. The next question is in testis, days found inside abdomen, that is elephant, mouse, horse, dog. It occur outside of the testis, maintain temperature. But in elephant, testis is found inside of the abdomen because internal body temperature is optimum for sperm production. Answer is elephant. The next question, placenta in human being is formed by amnion, chorion, allantois, chorion and uterine one. Answer is allantois. These are the extra embryonic membrane and placenta is formed from allantois, chorion and uterine wall. Which type of cleavage occurs in the zygote in human female? Holoblastic and equal, meroblastic and holoblastic and unequal and diploblastic. Cleavage that after the formation of zygote, so many types of cleavage are occurred, that is holoblastic. Main two types of cleavage, that is holoblastic, meroblastic. Holoblastic means when the cleavage for divide the entire egg. It is two types holoblastic cleavage, that is equal and unequal. Equal means when the cleavage for cuts the eggs in equal cells. Unequal means result and the blastome are unequal in size. This what in human cleavage zygote cleavage occur is holoblastic and unequal type. Meroblastic means it is divided from the type of cleavage that occur in very yolky eggs like birds, in which egg cytoplasm not in the yolk divides. It occur meroblastic cleavage occur in birds and reptiles. Human eggs are alecital, microlecital, mesolecital, macrolecital. Human eggs are alecital. Human eggs are alecital. Alecital means it consists of negligible amount of yolk. Macrolecital means having small amount of yolk. Example, fishes and dipnoi, some amphibians. And mesolecital means moderate amount of yolk is present, that is dipnoi. Macrolecital means having large amount of yolk is present. Then human eggs are alecital. Which chemical of the egg attract and hold sperm? Answer is fertilizing. 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 Fertilizing that is secret from the egg cell, and anti-fertilizing that secret from the sperm. Agglutinin and anti-agglutinin both are help for coagulation. The sperm secrete anti-fertilizing, and while fully mature egg contain fertilizing that attract the egg and holds it together. This answer is fertilizing. The next question is sperms form four primary spermatocyte are 4, 1, 16, 32. This question answer is 16 because one spermatocyte give rise to two secondary spermatocytes, and each of the secondary spermatocyte give rise to two sperms. So one spermatocyte give rise to four sperms, and four spermatocytes are give rise to 16 sperm. So answer is that is 16. Graphian follicle of ovary secrete estrogen, relaxin, progesterone, thyroxine. That is estrogen. Graphian follicle secrete estrogen, relaxin, and progesterone secrete from corpus luteum, and thyroxine secrete from the thyroid gland. Clitoris in mammals is homologous to penis, analogous to penis, functional penis, female, non-functional. The answer is homologous to penis. The next question in mammal, failure of testes to descend into the scrotum is cryptorchidism. The development of egg without fertilization is called parthenogenesis. Gametogenesis means the process in which cell undergo meiosis to form gamete. Metagenesis is the alternation of the asexual and sexual reproduction. Oogenesis is the production of mature egg. Answer is the parthenogenesis. Leydig cells are present in mammal, that is testes. That is testes in liver. Liver hepatic cells are present in kidney. Nephrons are present. The next question is which hormone is secreted by Leydig cell? That is the testosterone hormone. Oxytocin and vasopressin both are secreted from posterior pituitary gland, and growth hormone secreted from anterior pituitary gland, and oxytocin, vasopressin secreted posterior pituitary gland. Leydig cell secret that is testosterone hormone. The skin covering the glans penetrates corpus spongiosum, corpus cavernosa, purpose, and epididymis. The answer is purpose. The next question, the acrosome of a sperm contain hydrolytic enzyme DNA, mitochondria, fructose. The acrosome of sperm contain hydrolytic enzyme. A cell formed from the cleavage is called a blastomere. After the formation of the zygote, it converted into the zygote converted into morula then converted into blastula, then blastula converted into glastula. A cell formed from cleavage is called a blastomere. The region where the sperm enter the egg is equator reception cone animal form. That is answer is reception cone. In female, the developing embryo remains in the ovary, uterus, fallopian tube, vagina. That answer is uterus. Ovary mature egg is formation occur. Fallopian tube is the fertilization occur. In vagina is the outer external genital organ in female. Thank you.